So, quick one there. That is Samsung 32. It's a 2-year-old model really, but there aren't any other sort of good quality 32s available. That's the only one, and it is smart, so it's a nice quality little TV. Let's have a look. In the top, 2 parts of the pedestal base. That's one, that's the other. Those down there. So, remote pack in there. There we go, standard remote. Composite connections there, power lead and CI card reader. No smart remote, but it's a smart TV. That's the screen, so we'll get that out in a moment. Let's just pop it down there safely. Pedestal base in 2 halves. One half with a screw pack taped to it, 4 long machine screws. So you can see there, it's like a key type thing, and you've got the slot there. So basically, into there, and it twists and locks. So the TV will slot onto that part there. Okay. And then the 4 screws will go through the TV, sorry, into those holes there. So nice brushed finish, and sort of silver plastic. So it comes with a wall mount sort of gap filler pre-installed. That comes out there. TV slots on like so, and then the 4 screws through the back. Alright, so quickly on the back, 1/2 amp USB, 1 amp USB, 2 HDMIs, number 2 is ARC, number 3 is just another input, so 3 HDMIs total, sorry, number 2 being ARC, local area network or LAN, and your composite component AV inputs there, and just terrestrial TV in, and your digital audio optical out. TV from the front and the stand there, to get a close up so you can see the finish. Alright, got it turned on. So, just aerial mains, LAN,
charge that will disproportionately target low-income BAME drivers. He should go about this issue suggested a number of alternatives.
In a statement, the Mayor's office said the number of private hire vehicles entering the congestion charge zone has shot up from 4,000 a day in 2000.
So it's I guess 2017 M series TV, but it's still available because there's no other 32s that are any good. But sound on it's pretty good. If we can hear it, don't know how the mic picks it up. And the smart's all there, all the same. So I suppose for a bedroom or a kitchen, it'd be an ideal little TV.
Drivers can be lawfully targeted. Clive Coleman.
Cool.
What an Amos reports. The Halley Research Base is like something from a sci-fi movie, a space station on the ice. It's here that they do cutting-edge science on the climate. It's also